Look here. This is the tables where we have worked with the borders. Clear? In this table, if we will discuss, so we have hidden this border. External border we have hidden. Clear? This is a programming. In that, what we have done, we have worked with the internal border also, and we have worked with the external border. The table has to sit down. The table has to be displayed like that. Clear? So, to work with the internal and external border, we have two attributes, and these are frames and rules. So write down headings. Frame. Written. Write down definitions. This attribute of the table tag clear? This attribute of table tag work along with a border attribute border attribute. What do you mean by that? That means when we will use the frame attribute inside the table, border attribute must be used. Clear? Full stop. Frame allows us to hide or display external border / edge. We can say that a edge also. That is an edge only, na external edge. Clear? That allow us to work with the external edge or border. Full stop. The following values of the frame attribute we will use. The following attributes, so the following values of the frame attributes we can use, and the first one is above, the second one is below, third one is RHS, the fourth one is LHS, the fifth value is H side, and the sixth value is V sides, the seventh one is border, and the eighth value is none. Clear? Written? Now look here. According to these values, the table structure must be like that. A, B, C, D. So if the tables are like that, which values are visible? Which edges are visible? External edges, and in the external edges, above edges are displayed. That means in the external border, Which edge are visible? Top side edge are visible. And to display the top side edge, what we have to use the value of the frame? Clear? Above. And then next one, what is the? If the tables are like that, what will be the frame values? Then what we have a? If the tables are like that, which value we will use? If the tables are displaying like that. Now what do you mean by H side? H sides. Horizontal sides, correct? Horizontal side means?
Like this. No, like this.
Lift like that.
Horizontal side means above and below both borders are displaying. Horizontal side means if the table structures are like that, what we have to use? H sides. The frame value will be clear. And if the tables are like that, and if the tables are like that, is it clear? If the tables is like that, is it clear? So you have to write ki above, first one is the above heading, and it display the top edge only. It display the top edge only. Yeah, it display the top side border only. Edge means clear, na? I am not talking about edge. I am talking about this edge. Clear? So, it displays the top edge only, and below it displays the bottom edge only. And the third one is a RHS, na? It displays the right side edge only. Is it clear, na? Concept is clear, na? And the next one is a, what do you mean by that? Left hand side edge only. And according to that you may write H side. It displays the horizontal sides. That means it displays the above and below both side edge. Then what is the next value? So it displays the vertical side. Vertical side, that means left and right. And next value is a border slash, you can write box also. Border slash box. Means either you can use border, either you can use box. It display all side border. It display all sides border, and you can also say that it is the default values. That means if you are not using the frame attributes, what it will do? It display the border of box model. So that is the border, and it is a external borders. Now the tables also come in this category. Look here. Now what is hidden? Internal border we have worked. Clear? Internal border means this is called external, and the internal between means the lines between the rows and columns. The lines between the what? So that is known as a what? Internal border. So here what is hidden? The line between the columns. The line between rows are there, but line between the columns are
Not there.
not there. Is it clear? Any doubt? Sometimes we are getting like that. What is hidden? The line between the rows are hidden. Sometimes we are getting the columns like that, A, B, C, D. But both are hidden. That means in full internal borders are hidden. Full internal borders are hidden, and in the external border what we have? Below one. Clear? Sometimes we are getting like that. In the external border we have a V sides, and in the internal borders we have a columns border. Clear? So to work with the external border, Kritarth Singh and Ayush Dubey. So next heading is the rules. Next heading is the rules. Write down this attribute of table tag also work like a frame attribute of the table tag. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? In the frame attributes, border is also required. Clear? And in the rules also, border attribute is also required. Only that is the similarities. Clear? Full stop. This rules allow you to show or hide which border? Internal border / edge. Internal border / edge. The following values are being used with the what? Rules. Now you do in this way. Make two columns. The small parts you may give to the what? Values, and write down here what? Descriptions. And here the first value, what will you do? Rows. What it will do? Description is a what? It display the edge between the rows. It display the edge between the rows. Edge or border, both you can write. It display the border between the rows. Yeah, you can write it display the edge between the rows. Next, what you have to write? Calls. What do you mean by that?
Displays the edge between the columns.
It display the edge between the columns. The third value is the all. What do you mean by that? It displays the edge between the rows and columns. And the next value is the void. Void means none is work with the frames and void is being used with the rules, or maybe vice versa. Okay, the void will use with a frame and none will use with the rules. Clear? So look here. What do you write the definitions? Okay, it hides all the internal borders. That means there is no any border between the rows and heights. For example, if the tables are like that, A, B, C, D, so what will be the values of frames and rules? Both are wide. Frame value, box. Frame value and rules values. Is it clear? Any doubt? No doubt. So now you have to write the code of the following tables that I have given you. So look here, one example I may give you. If the tables are like that, A, B, C, D. So first of all, what will you do? You will start with a table tag. So you will write here table. Clear? And then you will write here what? Border is equal to 1. Clear? And what is the value of the frame? H sides. What will be the value of rules? Rules is equal to wide. Is it clear? All of you? Is it clear? And then what will you do? How many rows, how many columns are there? 2 rows. And for the each row what we have to use? And for the each cell? So what we will do, inside the TR we have a TDA and TD we will close, table data open, table data close. Again TD, B, and I will close the TD, and then finally what I will close? Is it clear? Again for the next row what I will do? And then again TD, C, TD closed, TD, D, TD. Is it clear? And then finally TR closed, and then finally. Is it clear? Okay. Now, so look here, these tables. Right. Clear? Clear? Yeah, we can say like a table. Okay? Write the HTML code to display the following tables. In this, what we have to use? We have to use the concept of merging also. Clear? And concept of border also. Clear?